Hello guys, welcome back to tutorial number 11. Today we were going to go to the Stronghold for real, having done a lot of miscellaneous stuff last time. Unfortunately, with the state of our diamond pickaxe, we're gonna be forced to use iron pickaxes, which will really run down our iron, but it is what it is. Instead of bringing a bunch of iron pickaxes and clogging up our inventory, I propose that we are going to just bring raw iron and craft on the spot, which will save inventory space. Being true to that, I will grab myself 18 pieces of iron, and that's enough for 6 pickaxes. I think this should be enough to do, and let's just go ahead and take a look. So I'm doing this pretty quickly today because we have a lot to get to. So first we need to find the end portal, which is negative 113, negative 131. So let's see how we're going to go there. There will be neg, so this way. So let's see. Do I have any way of getting there? Wait, what's the y coordinate? Sorry. 42. Uh-oh. Yeah, we have an elevation issue as well. So how on earth are we gonna get there? That's our question. Probably the biggest question right now. So it would be this direction, except, oh, actually, this might actually work. Let me try. Let's try boating down here. I think we won't fall into lava if we do this correctly. Oh, that was close. Okay, not too bad. Our elevation should be right now. But we are still a little... This is not easy at all. Neg, oh my god. How am I gonna do this? Okay, it looks like we don't really have any other choice, so we're gonna have to bridge. Now, bridging, of course, is an important skill. I'm pretty sure that most of you guys have mastered it by this point. If you haven't, you need to, because it's really important that you guys learn how to bridge. It's one of the most fundamental skills of Minecraft. Let's go a little higher here. Okay, now we're on solid land, we can move a lot quicker. So I think we're okay on the the X, so we just need to go very, very, very negative on this side. I'm ignoring the gold because... Okay, great. Cool. We found our portal. So that's great and all, but we obviously need to cover... Oh, okay. What's wrong? We need to cover this thing up first. So let's see. We can just solidly wall this part off, I guess. So the floor is fine, the backside is fine, and all other sides are not fine. Cool. Let's get rid of some of these blocks so we have some blocks to work with. And there's a warp forest here as well, which can be useful for later, but I'll ignore the warp forest for the time being. So yeah, so we got the backside filled, we got the floor, and now we just have to add the 3 walls in the ceiling. So let's do exactly that. We don't need really big. I would say this should be sufficient for the 3 walls. and then a ceiling, so like that. And yes, I intentionally did not fill this part in so I can actually go into there later. I'm just finishing up this part of the build first, the 3 walls and the ceiling, which are now done. But what I want to do is I actually want to grab some of this wood so I can make ladders to go down. So we're at 41, so we only need 41 minus 15, which is, how much is that? 26 ladders. So 27. And then 27, that will be 9 crafts. Each craft needs 7 sticks. Each stick, each log drops 8 sticks. So this will tell us how many logs we need to get. And this right now is 9 times 7, so 63 over 8. So it looks like 64. So 64. So we're gonna grab 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and 7. Let's grab one more. 8. All right, we got it. Convert all of these into sticks. Convert all of these into ladders. 27. Bam. Spot on. Alright, should we grab some gold? I mean, now we are here already and we know that we got what we needed. Let's just grab it. Doesn't hurt. And this is a pretty good vein as well, so. Alright. You guys can see that the iron pick is not as fast. We'll make do. Just grab this vein as well, and I think that'll be enough. Alright. So we got the veins. 57. And now we just dig down. But remember, we need to drink fire rest before we do that, which is fine. Let me see. Is there anything I'm missing still? Oh, no, I think I'm fine actually. Okay. Alright, I think that's all the prep work we're gonna do. Now we can just actually go into this. Let's cover it up. Cool, and we can start digging. So let's just confirm that this is the portal we want. I'm pretty sure it is, but just to make sure. Ah, yes, our very nice pumpkin stronghold. Okay, this is obviously fine. So let's just, yeah. Alright, so what do we do now? Well, now we need to dig down, so let's use this to dig down. We're gonna put the ladders facing negative x. Yes, nah, let's put it facing positive x. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. Alright, so let's put the ladders facing positive x, and let's dig down on probably this block. Yeah, that one. Okay, are there any other concerns? Probably no, so let's do it. Oh, drink fire rest first. Don't forget that. That kind of knows that I have to dig in the negative direction anyways, but I don't know exactly how much, so I'm just gonna dig until maybe the fire rest runs out, and then we can stop. I'll put the fire rest here, and we can just dig. Don't forget to place your ladders. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I would say be careful now, because we're gonna probably fall in at any point. Okay, so far it doesn't look too bad. I don't want to fall in today. There's also a chance that we are able to dig through this completely without falling in at all. which is great, but it doesn't happen a lot. Okay, so we did fall in, but this is a very mild case, so we can fix this pretty easily. And you guys all know that I don't like magma blocks. So let's get rid of the magma blocks and replace them with netherrack. How many more are there? And actually, before we do that, let's actually cover this first. So where was I? So how many more mega blocks? 2 more. Okay, that's flowing in, that's no good. And I don't see any more magma blocks. Do you see any magma blocks? No, right? Alright, cool. That should be good. Then 1, 2. I'm counting the number of ladders very precisely so that I know I can just dig until I run out of ladders. This will be 15. I don't even need to look at my coordinates, I'll know. But I'll prove it anyways. See, this is 15. Okay, so now we need to go. So this is negative. So this is the wrong direction. We do not want to go in this direction. However, since the ladder is pointing this way, it will be natural to dig just a few, like maybe 1 more, like that. And then we can go positive. So as for how much positive we go, well, it doesn't really matter, and we already ran into some trouble. Perfect. Exactly what I need in a time like this. Really? Oh, we fixed it? Oh, we fixed it. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Oh, we haven't really fixed it. We only partially fixed it. That's sad. Okay, that gets rid of that. I think we're on the edge of trouble, so we kind of can fix it, but at the same time, not really. Okay, let's just keep going. And I'm not actually sure how much to do. Let's break this pickaxe, let's say. And then we can do. One thing you want to do is you don't actually want to break the pickaxe. You want to almost break it, but don't actually break it. Oh, ancient debris. Hello there. Don't tell me this is another vein of 1. Come on. Looks like another 1. Oh, no, it's not a 1 vein. It's at least a 2 vein. Please give me this. Ah, it's a 3 vein. Perfect. Holy cow, we saved our pickaxe. And once I go back, you'll see what I mean by we saved our pickaxe. It has to do with the properties of upgrading, which is something we've never talked about up to this point. So we still have another 4 minutes of the fire resistance. So I'm just fixing up the mess we created earlier through the ancient debris, which has been fixed now, so that's great. Let's go back just a little, just to see that everything is fine, which it is. Okay, we got 3 vein. This is exactly what we need. Okay, we got some quartz. As per usual, if we see quartz, we mine the quartz. But how much durability? 25. Okay, that's fine. Should be 3 more. Okay, we got everything we needed. Let's fill the ceiling. It's just the ceiling that was damaged, right? I think this time. Yeah, okay. And now we don't want to use this anymore. In order to be efficient on the crafting, we're going to craft a new pickaxe and then repair them for extra bonus durability. When you repair, you get bonus durability, so you don't want to use it up all the way. if you want to be efficient with this. So yeah, let's just keep going. We're at let's go to like -50, and then we can call it a day. Okay, 54, so 4 more to go. Okay, so we're at 49, 50. Okay, this is pretty good. Yeah, we're at 50, so we are done. And let's see if it's repairable. 20, 220. So 220 and 20, right? If you add them together, what would you expect to get? Let's actually go a few more to demonstrate the point. Let's just go another 5 blocks. Just like that. Alright, cool. So we're here now. So, the question was, we have 210 here and 20 here. If you repair them, you expect to get 230, right? Because 210 plus 20 is 230. However, what you actually get is not just 230, but 242. So you get an extra 12 when you repair. Hence, you don't want to use up the previous almost broken pickaxe all the way. Alright, so that's that. I think we're just gonna go back now, and probably the fastest way at this point is just to kill ourselves on purpose. Let's use easy so we don't heal too fast. Oh, we have fire resistance. You know what, that's fine. Let's just wait for the fire resistance to be gone, and then we can do this. 28 more seconds. Come on. $14 more seconds. Okay, do this. I don't want to keep digging at this time because you might not. I forgot like how much like you're actually supposed to dig, and I don't want to overdo it. Okay, and now we take damage. Boom, 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 boom. You want to get rid of the fire before it actually kills you. So, like now, you can just get rid of the fire, and we print. All right, we are back at base. Let's turn the difficulty back off. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm going to show you what this is about. So let's first smelt these guys. Here, I guess I'll keep that out here. So we can go da-dum. Wait, what? Da-dum. Da-dum. Alright. So we can put the other blocks away. We have some gold, so let's go put some gold away. We have one extra ladder, which we can put away. We have more gold. We have a flint. We have one gravel. We have some magma blocks. And then we have quartz, which in this case. And then we have our smelted. Wait, what? Oh, okay. So basically, here's a recipe that you're gonna love. And this is an important one. 4 netherite scrap plus 4 gold ingots equals 1 netherite ingot. And you don't use netherite ingot like you use iron and gold ingot. You don't craft directly with them. This is what you do with them. First, you need a special thingy called a smithing table. So this is its recipe. It looks like this. And we're gonna find somewhere to put it. Probably this dirt block is a good place to put it. Okay, so this is our smithing table. You put your old diamond gear in. It has to be diamond. Then you put in a netherite ingot and you get a netherite gear. The netherite gear has more attack damage, it has more durability, and it mines things faster. If it's armor, it will block more damage through something called toughness, and also has more knockback resistance. We'll get more into netherite as we find more, but in this case, the netherite ingot, because this resulting item has more durability than this one, by the upgrade we're actually saving the pickaxe, which used to only have 200 surge durability. Actually, upgrade now has 700. So we can actually use it now. Whereas before it was considered pretty dangerous to use it. I'll still keep the iron one in case things happen, but we can actually use the netherite one quite a bit more now. So yeah, that is upgrading. And I just realized I forgot something. Oh my god. I forgot something very important, but since I have the recording, I'll just look back at the recording and I can see what happened. This means I'm gonna have to split this tutorial into two, which I guess is fine. So just hang tight and watch part 2 when you are done with this. When you're done with this portion of this tutorial. See you guys in part 2.